Well, good morning. This is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service. Today here we're going to do a repair. You can see this awning seam is let go. So our job is to mend this up. And I'm going to go ahead and start that procedure now. You can follow me along with this video. Well, this is one of the first steps, is to get something that you can get behind this awning. And for me, it's a piece of masonite wood. See here, I'm going to bring the fabric together and put some adhesive on it. See what we can do about putting this together. Well, we're back here and we have tried to stabilize the rope rail with some Tech screws. Keep that from coming apart. Once again, a reminder that this awning is 14 years old and we're just trying to give it a few more years of life. And I think we'll get a few more years out of it. The blue tape will come off after the adhesive has cured, but we like to keep that on there about an hour to an hour and a half. It's pretty warm out here today, so it shouldn't take that long to dry. But we're about 2/3 of the way done with this repair. Well, we're wrapping the job up now. We've completed it. You can see that we've got those seams sealed so they don't open up. This was the most major one. Found an additional one here that we treated. And of course the rope rail reinforced. Well, thanks for watching this video. This is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, signing off. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, have a great day. Bye-bye now.